Hello guys, good morning. So this is Saga here. So today we'll be learning about how to draw support and resistance on a live market. Okay, so let's try to get into a market. Let's try selecting Nifty 50. I'm sorry, Fin Nifty. Okay, so first thing what you'll have to do is, okay, you'll have to check what is the market trend. Okay, so first get into a daily time frame. So you could see on a daily time frame, right? Okay, it was on a negative sentiments. Okay, post that it tried opening gap down. Okay, it tried opening gap down, and then what you could see is it's trying to create a indecision candle. So it is completely on a negative sentiments, but again we do have a support out here. Okay, we do have support out here and out here. So what we have to check is, and one more thing what we didn't notice is there is actually a gap out here. Okay, you could see there is a gap which is to be filled. Okay, so ideally market has come back to fill this gap. You could see post a gap up opening, right? Okay, there is a gap formation from year to year, so we could expect market to fill this gap. Okay, within either it can fill it today or in the coming days. Okay, so one thing we could see it on the negative sentiments, and then look into weekly time frame. What does it show? On a weekly time frame, it shows completely bearish. Okay, now what you have to do is get into hourly time frame. Now let's try to draw support and resistance. We do know that market is completely on a negative sentiments. So first let's start with downside. So this is a major support out here. So that was one of a major support, and then we do have one more out here. So we do have two major support at the downside, and then one out here. This is towards the downside. Now let's look towards the upside. So firstly, I'm drawing only major support and resistance. So all these are a major support and resistance where we could expect the market to come to this level and then bounce back. Immediate V-shaped recovery. These are our major support and resistance. Now let's try to draw minor support and resistance. For this, let's get into lower time frame like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So out here we'll be able to identify minor. So if you see, we do have a minor resistance at the top in this level. This is a minor resistance. Again, this is a minor resistance, one out here. And this is a minor resistance. So like this, all these are minor resistance. And this is also a resistance, minor. Yeah, so all these are minor resistance that we have towards upside. Now what we could expect is the market is completely on the sideways, and we don't know which side the movement can be. So now what you have to do is draw some more levels. So you'll have to draw day's high and day's low. Now what you have to ideally do is, okay, you'll have to patiently wait till the market crosses either this level or this level. Okay, if the market is trying to cross this level with a stronger breakout, right, you could immediately enter the trade and try to capture the upside move. Okay, and if the market is trying to break downside, right, yeah, so if the market is trying to break this upper side, what you'll have to do is immediately you can enter okay, with a smaller stop loss and book your target till this level where you could expect a upside move. And if the market tries to break this level, right, that is around 23,795, okay, you can enter out here with a smaller stop loss and capture the movement till the next support. Okay, so this is how mainly you'll be drawing support and resistance. Okay, you know what are major support and minor support. Okay, I hope you got an idea on this. And now let's try to understand how to draw trend line. Okay, let me just give you an idea how to identify the trend lines. So basically what you'll have to do is, in the market, always try to identify the trend. So out here, if you see, right, market was trying to trade within a channel. So what you'll have to do is first understand where was the channel. Parallel channel. Yeah, let me just zoom and show it to you so that you will get to know pretty clearly. So you could see market was trying to trade within a channel out here. Okay, you could see exactly market got into this level. From here, it tried to bounce, go top, and again it took support from this resistance, got back to the support level, again tried to bounce back, again reached the resistance, tried to come back, taking support and going top. So ideally, this was a trend move where you could see the market was ideally trying to touch this levels, exactly this levels, and then trying to go upwards. So what you can see out here is how many times market tried to do to touch. Yeah, now just look into it clearly. How is the trend line to be drawn? One touch, two touch, three touch. So does it make a proper trend line out here? Similarly towards the downside, if you check, one touch, two touch. Okay, so this is how normally you try to draw trend lines. Let me give you more examples. We have to just identify the trend. Uh, yeah, you can check out here. Yeah. So what you could see out here is we do have a trend out here. Okay. Basically, what is happening out here is you could see in this trend line, right? One touch, two touch, and three touch. So you could see the trend line is pretty valid. Okay. So you could see after multiple times the market touching the same spot, right? It tried to break this level with a proper bullish signal. Okay. It tried to break this level with a proper bullish sign. Okay, but you were unable to enter this trade because a single candle itself tried to break a bigger level. So currently when you find this type of candles, right, you're not supposed to take any kind of entries, but just wait for a proper signal. Okay, you'll have to just wait and watch for a next proper signal. So what happened is after a breakout, okay, market tried to come back, retest, and then post tried to bounce. So ideally after a retest, right, you could see out here it gave you a signal over here and over here. So what you could have done is immediately the moment you saw signal out here, right, pin bar, you could have entered with a stop loss till this trend line and target of almost minimum of 1:3. Okay, till this level you could have achieved. So this is how you'll have to identify the trend breakouts and try to take entries. I'll just show you more. Just give me a moment. Let's just try to identify the trends. You can check out here. Okay, it was a trend line with 1 2 3 touches. Post that, it tried to break, and once after a break, it tried to go upwards. Okay, so this is one type of trend line again. And then here also you could see market tries to, yeah. So you could see this is another trend line. You could see market making multiple touches, 1 2 3 4. Okay, post 4 touches, then market tries to break with greater force, and then tries to give that movement. So this is again another trend line. So this is how you'll have to identify the trend lines in live market, and then try to take entries and exits based on the proper levels that you see. Okay, so this is how you actually capture the market. Let's see if there's any trend line formation in 1 minute over your yeah, there is one trend line formation here that's happening. Now what you'll have to do is, this is a live market, just wait. You'll have to just wait. You could see market doing 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So we have a multiple touches out here. Right now what you could expect is market to break this level. So once market tries breaking this level with a strong bullish signal, you can immediately try entering and capture till this level. This is how you make trades. I hope this is clear for you. You could also see it from a different angle also here. You could see this also acts like trend line. There's 1 touch, 2 touch. So now what you have to do is wait. Okay, and one more important topic is, you could see from both the side, right? This is a center point of contact. Okay, in this kind of contact, if you trend to see, okay, like say that during any candle out here, you could majorly try seeing dragonfly dojis. If not, you could try finding hammer candles, shooting star, something like this. If you could get any positive candle in this location, right, you could immediately enter and capture that big move till the upside, till the next ideally next resistance, or towards the downside till the next support. This would be a good trade. All you'll have to do is just look out for a proper trade entry and then enter into the market. So this is it for a learning for today, guys. So if you do have any kind of doubts or require any clarity, you can put on your chats, you can put on your comments, so that I'll look into it and then get back to it. And moreover, we do have a Telegram channel. You can try subscribing to that Telegram channel and put on your doubts, so that I'll be there to help you to clarify your doubts on day-to-day basis. Thank you.